What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Bitzer from Shaun the sheep. Let's begin today's lesson on the top center of a page. We're going to draw two small circles connected in the center for the eyes. So let's start right in the middle. We'll start with the left eye, going up, around, and then in towards the center. And then we're going to draw that same size circle on the right. So we're going to start right in the center, going all the way around, and then back down. Let's add two smaller circles in the center of each eye and fill those in black. Now from the center of the eyes, we're going to move all the way down. We're going to draw a large oval for the nose. So let's start with the left side, going all the way around, come down toward the bottom of our oval, go back up on the right, and then back in towards the middle. Now I want to tuck the mouth in behind the bottom edge of the nose. So we're going to start on the left, bend this out, and then up, line this up on the right, and then on the ends, we're going to add a small bracket. Let's add some teeth underneath the mouth. So we're going to start right in the middle with a curve, coming down and up toward the left. Leave a small gap, do the same thing on the right. Let's add one more set of teeth. So we're going to step over, curve this down, and then up underneath the mouth. Let's draw in the cheeks coming in towards the chin. So we're going to start right beside the nose. We're going to go around the corner of the mouth, bend this in just underneath the teeth, going all the way across, up on the right side, and we'll bend that in towards the same height. Now from here we're going to draw two straight lines going up along the side of the head, up to right about there. Do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to close out the top with a curve. We're going to go up from the left, across the middle, and then back down. Let's add in those large ears. We're going to start back on the left, bend this out, and then down towards the bottom. Do the exact same thing on the right. Let's round out the bottom of the ear, bend this up, and then pull that back in towards the head. Okay, now let's go back up to the top. We're going to add in that hat. We're going to add a fluffy edge along the top. So right in the center, we're going to draw a curve from left to right. We're going to go up and then back down. We're going to continue to add a few more curves going down and just tuck this in behind the ears. So let's start back on the left, going up and then down. Same thing on the right. Let's add one more curve and just pull that in on top of the ears. Now for the top of the hat, we're going to start back on the left. Just going to draw a simple curve, going up and then down. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the collar, leaving a gap in the center of the head. Draw two lines, one on the left, one on the right, and then we'll close out the collar with a curve coming down the middle. Now from the bottom corners of the collar, step down. We want to curve the body, going out, come down, just pull that in towards the hips. Let's go to the right and do the same thing. In the opposite direction, pull that in towards the same height. Now we want to leave a small gap. In the center, we're going to add a curve. Let's leave a small gap in the center. Go to the left side, draw a straight line coming down, all the way down towards the heel. Do the same thing on the right. And you want to curve the bottom of the feet. On the left side, bend this down and then up towards the first toe. Let's add that large toe. From here, we're going to draw a C shape, almost like a circle going all the way around, leaving a gap along the inside. Do the same thing on the right. Let's add two more toes along the outside. So just drawing that same curve and doing it twice. Let's go to the top of that middle toe and curve the foot, going up, bend this down. We're going to leave a gap along the inside. Now we're going to go all the way back up to the hip. We're going to step over to create a fold, come straight down on top of the feet. Let's go back up to the top and draw on the arms. We're going to start halfway between the collar and the hip. So we're going to start right here, bend the arm, going out and then down towards the wrist on both sides. From the wrist, draw a small half circle for the thumb, and we want to close off the end with a bracket. Let's add three fingers on either side. Starting from the thumb, we come down and up around that bracket. Now you want to step down, there the second finger, going around and then up. Let's do that one more time. Stepping down, we're going to curve the last finger going around, and then pull that in towards the outside of the wrist. Let's do the same thing on the right. Start with that first finger, the second, and then the third coming in towards the wrist. Now we're going to go all the way back up towards the bottom of the collar. We're going to bend the arm, going out, and then pull that down towards the wrist. Let's add a wristband and a cuff. So we're going to connect the wrist with a curve. Let's do that 3 more times. Just bending this across with an even space gap. Now over on the right side, we're going to connect the wrist again with one curve. And then add that band. Stepping up, draw that curve again. Let's finish off by adding the tail coming out from the left side, from the hip. We're going to bend this down around the hand and then out. Now I'm just going to taper this back in towards the leg. And it'll sign an art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's our job, Bitzer from Shaun the Sheep. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. If you enjoyed today's lesson, then you're really going to love what's happening inside the Sketch Club on School. And right now you can access all our courses and workshops for free for 7 full days just by visiting. I'll leave the link for you down in the description below, and I look forward to seeing you inside the club.